Alright, well, welcome to our pen turning class. I'm going to give you a brief introduction and overview. What we're going to do is take a pen kit like this or a pen kit like this, and we're going to take a piece of walnut that looks like this, and using a few tools and our shop and our lathe, this is the end result. Spoiler alert! So you'll see how fancy these pens are. What they look like. This happens to be a gold one. This happens to be a gunmetal pen with a natural finish on a walnut. It's called an apprentice pen. Sometimes they're called Sierras, sometimes they're called Wall Street 2s. But this one happens to be an apprentice, gold and walnut. So I hope you're excited. Let's jump right into the course and get started making these pens.